Hi friends, you can see Victoria Neverland Mumbai is in bloom, and I came here to try and attempt cross Victoria Neverland Mumbai with Victoria Cruziana. This is a second night flower, and you can see here Victoria Cruziana first night flower is trying to open up. So we will quickly, what we will do is we will collect the pollen. I have a brush in my hand and quickly collect the pollen. You can see the pollen, the yellow pollen. Try to collect. See the pollen here. Try to collect the pollen. And quickly go and put this pollen in Victoria Cruziana. I need some help to hold this. Did the cross. Let's hope the cross gets successful. Otherwise, I will keep trying. Thanks for watching.